kindergarten, welcome back. Today we are going to review our ABCs with food names, kind of fun. We are going to learn a new orange sounds. We've done yellow, we've done blue, and now we're on to orange. And then we're going to review some special sounds. So let's go ahead and get started with our ABCs. I have the cool magnet. So we're going to just say the letter as in what food it is. R as in radish. N as in nut. M as in milk. S as in strawberry. P as in pretzel. K as in kiwi. H as in honey. J as in jalapeno pepper. That doesn't. What about jam? Pepper jam. W as in waffle. A as in apple. Z as in zucchini. G as in grape. Y as in yogurt. X as in the tomatoes. I don't know what that really is called. I as in ice cream. V as in vegetables. T as in tea. Q as in quiche. U as in udon noodles. O as in orange. B as in broccoli. C as in cake. D as in donut. E as in eggplant. F as in French toast. L as in lemon. Most of those sounds work, but there are some that were a little questionable. So today we have a special sound. Are you ready for this? It's a new orange one. Yay! It is thir. Thir, 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 as in three. So we already know the TH, where you put your tongue in between your teeth a little bit. Not too much. Don't stick it all the way out. But just the tip of it. And then you're putting the thir, thir. Let's read some words. Thrill, thrill. Throne, throne. Throb, throb. Thrive, thrive. Thrust, thrust. Did you see that? A bonus. And throat, throat. Good job. Let's go ahead and mark some special sounds. These new special sounds in a word. I'm going to turn you around so you can see the board. Okay. We'll start up here. If you want to go ahead and pause this video and write these words down so you can check yourself with us. Okay, welcome back. We're going to circle the special sounds. We always circle special sounds first. Throb, throb. My finger will throb after I heard it. Did I get that R? O, throat. I have a frog in my throat. All right, come down here. Thrill. It is a thrill to go to the store and get out of quarantine. Just teasing, guys. I actually have not been to the store yet. Okay, so those are our new thir sounds. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to quickly read some special sounds. So here is our paper. We are going to say the special sound and then read the word. St as in stop. Pull as in plane. Fur as in frog. Tur as in train. E as in me. O as in go. Y as in fly. A as in pray. Sh as in ship. Where's it at? Thur as in thick. Th as in this. Bull as in block. Col as in clock. Full as in flake. Gull as in glue. Burr as in bride. Dur as in drum. Purr as in pray. Good job. Now I have this back side of this worksheet, and what I want you to do is I want you to pause, and that's a lot of words. You know what? Let's just do one little side. There you go. I would like you to pause and read these words out loud. So go ahead and pause. All right, great job, kindergarten. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.